In a vibrant hillside village, 19-year-old Luca toiled daily as a gardener, dreaming of a life where his savings could grow without endless work. His small stash of coins barely budged, but a chance meeting with a wise old potter would reveal a secret that would transform his future and spark a journey no one expected. Luca loved tending the village gardens, but long hours left him little time to chase his dreams. He'd saved a modest sum, tucked away in a tin box, yet it grew too slowly to change his life. Frustrated, he hiked to the edge of the village to visit Old Nora, a retired potter whose colorful ceramic stalls seemed to thrive effortlessly. If anyone knew how to make money work, it was her. At Nora's sunny courtyard, Luca found her sipping tea beside a clay kiln, her pottery shining in the market beyond. "Nora, how do I make my savings grow?" Luca asked, his voice eager. Nora smiled. "You're ready to think like the rich, Luca. It's not about slaving away, it's about letting your money work." She shared a story about Tyla, a village seamstress who started with little. Tyla saved every penny, never bragging about her plans. She bought a small sewing machine, made simple bags, and sold them quietly. Over time, she rented machines to others, and her tiny savings grew into a steady income. She kept her dreams silent, Nora said, and let her success speak. Luca leaned in. "How do I begin?" Nora explained, "First, save whatever you can, even if it's small. Don't borrow to invest. Use your own money. Second, skip fancy things like new boots or gadgets that lose value fast. Put your savings into something that grows." Luca thought of his tin box, nodding. Nora continued, "Third, look around you. In our village, Milo rents out gardening tools he bought cheap, and Kala grows flowers for markets. Start with what you know." They strolled through the village, Nora pointing out small ventures. A fruit stand, a tool rental, all built from modest beginnings. "Fourth," she said, "don't wait for a perfect idea. Start small, learn as you go, and keep risks low." Luca's eyes widened. He'd always thought big money needed big plans, but Nora showed him the power of starting simple. "Fifth," Nora added, "use your profits to grow more. Reinvest, like Tyla did, adding machines to her business. Sixth, don't rely on one idea. Try another venture once your first is stable. It keeps your money safe and growing. And it's fine to enjoy some earnings, but keep it under half." Luca grinned, imagining a small treat now and then. "Finally," Nora said, "be patient. Building wealth takes time. Stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt." Luca felt a surge of hope. He thanked Nora, left her courtyard, and started small by buying a few extra gardening tools to rent out. He reinvested his profits, added a small flower stall, and watched his savings grow. Years later, Luca's tool rentals and flower stalls bloomed across the village, his money working as hard as he once did. He'd mastered the art of thinking like the rich. Save, start small, and let patience build your wealth. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing story lessons.